Katlama is a popular flatbread from Uzbekistan. It is also popular in other countries in Central and Southeast Asia. Classic Katlama is typically made with meat and fried in oil, but there is option with onion, herbs,
farmer's cheese, different meats, cheeses, various spices, and sweet version with powdered sugar and other dessert fillings, and blah 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 blah.
In this video, I will show you a very simple recipe of katlama with potato, cheese and herbs. You can also make it in a pan or make a healthier and trendy version in the air fryer. It is a very tasty dish which goes well for lunch or dinner and as a great appetizer. This is a very simple recipe. Preparation time is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Step number 1. Making a dough. You need the following ingredients: all-purpose flour, water, salt, avocado or olive oil. First you need to sift flour. Mix 1 tablespoon of salt in the warm water. Start adding water to the flour while kneading. Add 1.5 tablespoon of oil or avocado oil to make the dough more elastic. Let dough sit in a room temperature for about 20 minutes. Dough should come out very elastic and easy to roll to a thin layer. Step number 2. Making the filling. For the filling you need the following ingredients: boiled potatoes, mix of cheeses, unsalted butter, salt, mixed herbs and seasoning. Mash boiled potato with cheese, salt and spices. If the filling will come out too dense, you can add a bit of water or milk. Chop onion and parsley. Step number 3. Making katlama. Cut dough in 4 equal pieces. Flour the surface with a rolling pin and start rolling the dough in the shape of a large circle. Roll it as thin as possible. Cover the surface of the dough with melted butter. Spread potato cheese filling and sprinkle some greens on top. Start rolling the dough into the roll and then you roll it into the spiral. Using the rolling pin and hands, spread the spiral into the flatbread shape. And if you like my videos, click like, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you never miss future videos. Step number 4. Cooking katlama. Option number 1. Cooking in the pan. Add some oil and fry katlama on the medium heat under the lid for about 7 minutes. Remember to flip sides every few minutes. Option number 2. Cooking in a new trendy appliance called airfryer. Everyone is crazy about this new toy. A healthier option with less oil. Set the air fryer for 15 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to flip katlama in the middle of the process. Note that each model of air fryer is different, so you might need to slightly adjust the temperature or cooking time. Look at this beauty. The version from air fryer looks a bit more puffier, but both versions taste equally great. If you make this recipe once, it will become one of your favorite dishes. I really hope you like this recipe. See you very soon.